All right, so here we are, over a year since our last post. We have completely failed putting these things together. Just got busy and just kept working.
The project got away from us and
Yeah, for sure.
videos weren't as important.
It was not as important. But since then, we've had a number of people reach out and ask us about how's the boat coming. Even random people have come up to ask us, how's the boat going? We don't even know. They just happen to be following along. So, and that's always cool. And so we're going to do our best. This is the next installment. We're going to kind of show the progress. We're going to go back in time and show the progress of what it has been to put the boat back together. We are much, much further along now. It's been a fantastic project. The boat is totally rad. Can't wait to show you guys the progress. Eventually. We don't have tons of footage, so it's going to be slightly different videos, but I think it will still show the progress well enough and where we are to date.
Yeah. So here's our attempt to catch you up.
Yeah. Enjoy. Cleaning out the black water tank, which we're hopeful is the cause of all of our stench. But I don't even think that it's poop, honestly.
No, it's the antifreeze. We think it's the antifreeze. It smells real bad, and it makes your eyes burn. All right, what do we got left in here? I have it just caked on my fingers. It's working though. Everything is all filled in. This one has a little bit of gapping, but hopefully that'll be okay. We ran out of the filler stuff, the little micro balloon, whatnot. But for the most part, it did an amazing job. The wood that he put in there really helped. And then we were able to build up, because these were even straight edges, and we were able to build that up pretty well. Oh, look at the sunset. So yeah, we have some pieces still clamped where it was kind of gappy, but otherwise we're gonna let it cure overnight and we'll see what it looks like in the morning. But we are done.
Chips and salsa.
Yes, we're going to Mexican. So chips, salsa, margaritas. Here we come.
Hungry.
After shower. So it is Sunday afternoon, 3 o'clock, as Ryan just noted. Time for us to pack up and head home. But we just realized we've kind of failed the whole video front today. We just jumped in and got busy.
Had some coffee and some breakfast and went to work.
Yeah, we started going. So today Ryan sanded all of the epoxy that we put in yesterday. Everything looks good. We think it's ready for window installation when we come back. And I finished cleaning out the V-berth. Stink is a lot better. And then finished taking out the through holes. We're going to take a bunch of that stuff home with us so that we know what we need to have when we come back. And then Ryan started assessing hot water heater, plumbing. We have this hot water heater that's brand new, has never been installed. We have to figure out if we can put it back in the original hot water heater location, even though it's larger, or if we're going to have to find a space somewhere else. So we've taken a lot of measurements on the different things that we have to prep while we are away at home for the next couple of weeks. Just kind of prepping to start putting things back together. So next time when we come in 2 weeks, we will reinstall the windows, hopefully put the new compression post in, and then maybe start rebuilding the head. But hot water heater installation will be high on the priority list, as well as putting the through holes and all that stuff back in.
Lots of good work done this weekend, but it's time to button it up and let's go back home.
Yes, please.
I'm ready to go home. So
Yeah.
all right.
So we got to recover windows.